Hello viewers and very good afternoon to all. Today's topic is very unique and important and famously known as equalization levy, which is a kind of tax to the charge on the amount paid to the consideration to the non-resident. This equalization levy is emerged on 1st of June 2016 via Finance Act 2016 section 165. Why I'm choosing this topic? Because today's onward businesses are conducted through a digital platform. When I'm saying digital platform, I mean to say Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. But do you know, while conducting business through a digital platform, you have to pay a 6% equalization levy, which is very similar kind of taxes like a TDS to the central government account as a taxes. This 6% you have to deduct while you remit the consideration to the non-resident account. When I am saying a non-resident, mean to say the Facebook, YouTube, Instagram or any other digital mode have to raise their invoice from outside India. So as a resident, there is a liability to pay 6% as a taxes known as equalization levy to the government account to the very next of the following month within the 7th of date. For example, if you paid $1,000 in the month of May to the non-resident and Facebook raising their invoice from the Ireland office, you have to pay equalization levy 6% to the central government account within 7th of June for the month of May. This process is known as charge of equalization levy on a digital advertisement mode, or if you are conducting your business on a digital marketing mode, digital modes, or you are advertise your business on a digital modes and the invoice is raised from the non-resident, or you can say who doesn't have a permanent establishment in India, and the invoice is specifically mentioned like Ireland, US, UK is basically known as non-residents in a general terms. You have to pay 6% levy on that. Don't confuse, is levy similar very like of a TDS. After the financial year, you have to file form number 1 as return for entire payments which was made to the non-residents during the financial year. This return is known as form number 1, and the due date for the filing of this form number 1 is 30th of June after the financial year. So for the financial year 1920, 30th of June 2020 is the last date to file a form number 1. Don't forget to file. Even don't forget to deduct a levy on a 6%. You know why? There is an interest and penal provision lies on a resident person who conduct the business through a Facebook, not on a Facebook. Interest at that 1% is applicable if you not deduct a levy on a due date specified. That is the 7th for the past months. As I give an example for the month of May. And there is a penal provision also. If you fail to deduct the amount equal to the equalization levy is the penalty. And if you fail to deposit after deducting 1,000 rupees per day is the penalty, which is maximum extended to equalization levy amount. So guys, this is very important topic and need to be taken as seriously because many of us not aware. Many of us run through a business to a digital platform or advertise our business to a digital platform and making payment to the non-residents. Please check your invoice. If the invoice is raised from the non-resident like Ireland, UK, US office, you have to follow these norms as per section 165 of the Finance Act 2016 because there is an interest at the rate of 1% and their penal provision lies on you, not on a non-residents. So guys, so that's why I'm choosing this topic to aware you. If you have any question on this topic, please comment on this. And I'm winding off this my session right now, but please subscribe my channel, like my videos, comments. This will give me a booster. Thank you so much, and this is the end of the today's video. Thank you.